Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find where the relay for the right headlight is located, which relay you need to check for that specifically, we'll explain that, where to buy cheap fuses relays from, why it's important to test fuses and relays. We'll share all that for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. If your right headlight does not work, there is fuses that you need to check as well. If you check them, now let's explain where the relay is located. We'll demonstrate on a 2016 F150. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need the fuse box that's located under the hood, okay, in the engine bay. And if you come right here, right behind the car battery, that's 12-volt battery. If you look on the back side right there, that's the cover for the fuse box. If you open that fuse box, you will see a layout that looks just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now you will have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be expensive or really hard to find, replacement ones. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. So if you come right here on the very top of your fuse box, right here on the right side towards the windshield side, that relay right here on the right side, that's the one for the right headlight. If your right headlight doesn't work, check that relay here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.